I took the top out of the wash and used the cup to get all the goddamn water out. You feel me, gang? This what a motherfucking sock. I already know. I ain't motherfucking stupid. So I'm finna goddamn dig in this bitch. The motherfucker already stink. I already don't want to do it. But I ain't finna call nobody. You feel me? Fuck them. As I take the motherfucker off, I get y'all motherfuckers the thumbs up and get that splash.
Hit her with a razzle dazzle.
Turn around. What you thinking about over there? Nobody. Just fix the fucking wash. So I got a little shit. I'm finna show y'all what's in there. What it is. Motherfucking salt. No. You don't fucking do that. You hear me? I'm gonna tell you like this. Don't fucking do that. I'm finna take the motherfucking sock out. You hear me?